Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're about to boost GPS accuracy. Start now by enabling your phone's location services and selecting high accuracy or precise mode. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning are on because the phone uses nearby networks and devices to refine your position. Close unnecessary apps that lock the GPS hardware, and once done, restart the mapping app you'll use. Keep the phone outdoors or near a window for a clear sky view. Satellite visibility matters, so position and environment are the first practical controls. Now optimize settings for sustained accuracy. Grant the navigation app permanent location permission and disable battery saver, or add the app to the battery exception list so background fixes aren't throttled. Update your maps and any GNSS assistance data or AGS files to reduce cold start time. Once updated, open the app and let it gather multiple satellite or network fixes. Movement helps, so walk slowly for a minute to allow the receiver to refine coordinates. Make sure phone firmware and location light. Finish by verifying accuracy against a known waypoint or a reliable map marker. Walk a few meters and watch the reported position stabilize. If directions are off, calibrate the compass with the figure 8 motion and allow several fixes to converge. Once done, recheck permissions and scanning settings. If accuracy remains poor, restart the phone, toggle location off and on, or clear the app cache. This simple reset often restores proper satellite and network assistance when nothing else helps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.